10 key features of Bar Complete. Our brand new self-service system for bars that want a complete bar inventory system with a simple and streamlined workflow to calculate liquor cost each period. Feature number 1. Bar zone counting feature allows you to map out all areas of your bar so that the order of products in the software always matches the real-life order of products on your shelves. No more searching through an alphabetical list to record each value. You can easily add, remove, and change the order of the zones in the Setup Zones workflow. 2. Faster setup using your product's existing barcodes. Looking up inventory items by name is very inefficient. Type a popular product name like Bacardi and you'll get 84 variations to choose from. Instead, Bar software comes preloaded with over 30,000 popular bar inventory items. Simply scan the barcodes and the items, including size, will be looked up automatically. 3. Faster and more accurate counting. When counting partial bottles, simply place them onto the Bluetooth scale to record precise inventory levels. Our scales are accurate to the tenth of an ounce and take a couple of seconds to weigh each item. When counting full items, skip the mental math by entering 6-pack counts or case counts and let the software do the calculations for you. 4. Share counting amongst employees. Bar's inventory software allows you to add up to 5 additional employees so you can divide and conquer by assigning different people to count the venue. This is perfect for when your various managers have distinct areas of responsibility, but you need to combine their counts into one complete inventory. 5. Instantly calculate your inventory on hand value. Bar software stores pricing information for every item at your bar, meaning after you complete each count, you can instantly see your inventory on hand values broken down by categories. Scroll down in order to see a timeline of how your inventory is evolving over time, or use the detailed view at the bottom to drill down into individual products. 6. Automated sales integration. Integrate your sales each period by uploading an itemized point of sale report from any point of sale system. We currently support over 40 systems. Simply select your point of sale system, upload an itemized sales report, preview the data to ensure it's correct. Your sales will be automatically assigned to the correct categories and then aggregated for inclusion in your liquor cost calculation.
7. Easy liquor cost calculation. Our guided workflow makes calculate your period liquor cost a breeze. Simply complete the 4 steps. Select the dates, update your purchase prices, enter the value of purchases for the period, and finally upload a sales report. When you're done, click on Calculate Liquor Cost and let the software do the rest for you. The liquor cost table makes it easy to understand your costs by breaking down the starting and ending values, plus the value of your purchases and sales, so you can understand your liquor cost broken down for each category. 8. Automated ordering. Our order suggestions are based on pars, not guesses. After you complete each count, the software will aggregate your counts and compare them to the par for each item. The suggested order quantities can be modified by increasing or decreasing them. If you need to order full cases, just click. 9. Save time placing your orders each week by ordering directly from within the software. Once you've finalized your order, review it carefully, and then if your distributors accept emailed orders, submit them in a single click. You'll be emailed a copy for your records so you can confirm you received everything and didn't pay for items that weren't ordered. Finally, 10. Flexibility to upgrade or downgrade to the product that fits best. Whatever Bar product you choose, you're free to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel without penalties and restrictive contracts. Downgrading to the free version will save your information but put payments on pause during slow periods. Upgrading to the pro version adds a dedicated inventory assistant and allows you to precisely compare how much you sold versus poured. This is down to the serving for every product at your bar. Typically, clients reduce their overall liquor costs by 3 full percentage points. That's how we make your counting count.